Hello and welcome back to the new video of the rise and fall of Silicon Valley Bank, a crisis of mismanagement. Silicon Valley Bank, founded in 1983, was once considered the bank for startups, venture capitalists, and high-growth technology companies. It had a reputation for being a key player in the tech industry, but in 2020, the bank's reputation was tarnished by a crisis of mismanagement that threatened its very existence. What led to the downfall of Silicon Valley Bank, and what can we learn from it? In early 2020, the bank's management team met to discuss the bank's financial situation. They were facing a liquidity crisis due to an over-reliance on loans to startup companies that were struggling to stay afloat. Many of these companies were high-risk and had not yet turned a profit, yet the bank continued to lend them money, hoping for a big payoff in the future. Meanwhile, the bank's management team had been investing heavily in technology and expanding their business globally, but these investments had not yet yielded the expected returns. As a result, the bank's balance sheet was overextended, and when the COVID-19 pandemic hit, the bank's loan portfolio was hit hard. Companies began defaulting on their loans, and the bank found itself in a precarious situation. The bank had to scramble to raise capital to avoid going under. CEO, we made some bad decisions, and we're paying the price for it now. The bank's CEO admitted to the mistakes made by the bank's management team and pledged to turn things around. The bank was able to raise capital, but not without a significant cost. The bank's reputation was damaged, and it lost the trust of many of its customers. In the end, the Silicon Valley Bank crisis serves as a cautionary tale of what can happen when a bank loses sight of its core mission and gets too caught up in the hype of the tech industry. As we move forward, it's important to remember that financial stability and responsible management should always be the top priorities for any bank, regardless of the industry it serves. The crisis at Silicon Valley Bank serves as a reminder that even the most established and reputable banks are not immune to mismanagement and financial instability. As individuals and businesses, it's important to be vigilant about the banks we work with and to do our due diligence in researching their financial stability and management practices. By holding banks accountable and making informed decisions about where we entrust our money, we can help ensure that our financial future is secure. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay informed and stay financially responsible.